Good morning, everybody. Here it's out another tie-dye for you. Beautiful pastel tricolor with red or black bullseye. We used to do one similar to this in like a cosmic tee. So this will be real cool to see. I've always loved these bullseyes with the black rings on them and the black chains. I don't know why. I guess they're kind of a manly shirt, but I've always liked them. One of my coworkers, that's his favorite too.
Take it inside.
To the inside. Look at that beautiful tie-dye. Let's get it unbanded.
Let's see what we got.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Color poking through.
Whoa.
Look at that. Whoa, look at the sleeves. Oh yeah. Top. Nice. Look at that. Oh yeah. Nice. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Look at that. Okay. That came out pretty good. Look up there. Perfect, perfect bullseye with just the right amount of better black all the way around and in the center. This is like an exact replica of our cosmic, but with neon pastel colors instead. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Perfect, perfect. Bullseye on a women's V-neck. Oh yeah. Good color, striation, good green in there. Oh yeah. Not bad for a tricolor. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.